Thank you for joining me for this episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're going to be working on a second generation Toyota Prius. This car came in with an issue of all the lights on the dashboard, not the red triangle, but the VSC light, the brake light, check engine light. They were all eliminated. I checked the codes and it said that the ABS pump accumulator was losing pressure. I could also, when the car is sitting there, hear the pump cycle. It'll bzzz, and then it'll cut off, bzzz, cut off, and you're not hitting the brakes and it's doing that. So I can tell that it's losing pressure and then building pressure back up. The level of the fluid is fine. Before we go any further, pop it open. Lift up this little trunk area. Slide it out and unplug it. It smells like China. This point here, you can see the unit right there. You can see the number clearly on the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Alright, so there's the number on my unit. That's what I'm going to go and look for. Replacement pump here. It's got the same part number as the one that was in the car. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is pull the one out of the car with the bracket and everything attached. Once we get it out, we'll change this onto that other bracket.
Leaking his fruit punch.
That is fruit punch, man.
Gave it up.
Oh no. It's down there somewhere.
We'll find it. Cooling system?
Right down in there. Right down in there.
He made that purple shit out of the way. There you go.
Yeah, pump out to start with, I think.
Hook shot out. There you go. All disconnect. Yep. Yippee-ki-yay. Never come out of there. Because you would have never gotten that weight up through that hole.
Hey. That's just fucking crazy.
So for anybody doing this, take the damn pump out with the bracket.
Pine needle. Put the pine needle across there. Put your socket down on top of the pine needle.
But Festo, what if they don't have pine needles where they're at?
I don't know, I ain't never seen no place without no pine needles.
Pine needle is still stuck in there. A business called Prius Works.
Prius works, man. There's that other bolt.
Ah!
Gotta look a couple things back up. Try her out. Let's get her down in there.
So Festo, where did you get this flux capacitor?
I got this from Doc.
Computer in here, man. You're gonna start to see it. Satellites are gonna start moving around in outer space. GreggFesto's going at putting this car back together like a NASCAR pit team.